Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing good. See friends, congratulations to all of you who cleared merit list and who are in waiting list. After this, we have many queries regarding IDBI executive, and we go into this video may stop all your queries. See friends, here IDBI executive they have given 920 post vacancies. In that merit list, bank recruited exactly 920 people, where many people kept under waiting list. Almost 4200 plus members are in waiting list. So either all waiting list people will clear or not. This is first question. If they call, how many people they will call from waiting list. So we going to see in this video very clearly and in detail. See friends, who are in merit list, they will call within 20 to 30 days after document verification, DV. They will call for DV. See friends, after document verification of merit list people, they will have again medical test at the same date. They have medical test, and again they have second document verification. When they will call for second document verification day, that day will be your joining day. So when they call it for second document verification, first document they will call for after 30 days, I told you. So maximum in October will be there. After then your second documentation will be in December. It may be in December or November last week or in December. See friends, one query many people they were asking that whether we can get hometown posting. See friends, who all are in merit list, they have 100% hometown posting. Why I am saying they will get 100% hometown posting means, see friends, almost IDBI had 1800 plus branches in India. Total people who got selected in merit list, it is exactly 920. So bank requires further 900 people. So understand, bank won't give you other than posting them in hometown. Okay, so total this process takes, everything takes, and your joining will be in maximum in December friends. In December your joining will be there for merit list candidates. For merit list candidates. Now see what about waiting list candidates. Waiting list candidates. See friends, who are from SC ST background, they have very good chances. They have very good chances. Very good chances. And who are from EWS, they also have very good chances. Why I am saying EWS candidates have very good chances means we have seen one RTI reply. So in that very less numbers, like 4,900 people, they were from EWS category, and their cutoff also compared to unreserved category it is less. So EWS candidates, they have very good chances for selection through waiting list. When it comes to OBC, see friends, who are in waiting list, maximum OBC category up to 3 marks you can, up to 3 marks who are in waiting list, maybe they will get posting friends. Remaining rest I am not sure about it. So when it comes to unreserved category, see friends, totally 22,000 people who are there in unreserved category who given examination, and maximum for all categories it is 10 marks they were in waiting list. So when it comes to unreserved category, who are less than merit list up to 2 to 3 marks, who are less than merit list 2 to 3 marks, they will get posting friends. They will get posting through waiting list. See friends, in 2018 case, what bank did means, there in 2018 same they have given merit list as well as waiting list, but waiting list people bank took almost 6 months after giving joining of merit list people. See friends, if joining of merit list people it takes place in December means, so waiting list candidates they will need to wait up to June or July. Okay, almost June or July of 2022 it takes friends. So one small suggestion from my end, who are in waiting list and who are in merit list, try to give all your mains exams. Don't neglect at all. Give all your mains examination. So waiting list people they have very good time. So try to prepare well. You will clear other exams as well. So thanks to each and everyone friends. If you have still any doubt and query, you can text me or you can drop me in comment column. Thanks to each and everyone for your support. Take care friends. Bye friends.